world, we are the nature because we protect the environment. Thank you very much. I like very much.
Thank you very much, Bhikkhuni. Today our topic, this topic was selected by Bhikkhuni. So I think this topic is very interesting and it is very necessary for our human community. So how to protect our environment, and your answer is later we can see that the Mother Nature is its main by the love and kindness. So in our human community we can see that all human beings are not same. You have big metta, you have big love and kindness, but other one they don't have. So that we cannot control that those kinds of person by the metta, by the love and kindness. So that is why in the country, individual country or the other country, we can see that we have to state some the law. As well as in the Buddha's teaching, we see our Buddha declared the monastic rule. That is, we can say this is the law in Buddha's teaching. So in the Buddha's teaching, we can see that not to destroy the forest, trees, our environment, or the jungle. So it's mean it is very important. It is referred to protect the environment. And another thing we can see that the Buddha said not to kill the animal. So this is also mean we have to protect, we have to care our nature, the natural, the animal. So this is also we are protecting our environment. That is why, so in my question is, so that Buddha's rule, monastic rule is very important, very useful. So those kinds of rules, how we have to apply in our modern world. In my opinion, the Buddha's teaching is very important, very useful, not for only our Buddhist people, as well as, but also all the people. That is why, in my opinion, Buddhism is not religion. Buddha's teaching is to use all the people. So those kinds of rules, how we have to practically apply. So can you explain, please? Yeah, this is my question. Bhikkhuni. Yeah.
I think next time if I come here, I must wear helmet because and something protect me. Many questions. Yes. You know, I understand some people, they are not have a lot of metta, and different level, different community, different country, different the way, the lifestyle. But the first time when we do some protest for the environment, very difficult because around in me, no people understand. And the first time I do with the international group, because the Western people, I have in the group, international group. The Western people, they have the knowledge about protect environment, and we have some activity. The first we don't say anything, but we do some camp. Go to the trashing and do cleaning up. We cleaning up and we do together one day cleaning the city. And the local people in my city, they feel, oh, they are the foreigner, but they do like this. Why? We do something. And at fact, our activity very simple, just cleaning, but affect the local people. And after that, the local people, if they have the same likeness, they understand. and they don't throw something out, and they know. And after that, but day by day, we have some more protest for the day talk about the environment and recycle and something, and also have one protest. We use this the plastic bottle and train the new thing. If they bring 10 bottles come for us, and we can train for them some useful, for example, some the paper, something they want. We also do like this, and we use this recycle. We do some the model for decorate something, and many activities like this. We want to, when we do some activity and we make good our compassion and our the message for the people over there understand, and when they understand, they can follow. If you don't say anything, you just do, and you say very high, you don't do anything, and they don't say, they don't think, they don't see, and they don't follow you. But you have a small group like this, you do, and they affect by your action first. That is the nice experience when I do like this, and we just cultivate their compassion, cultivate their understanding. We don't say good or bad, but when we do, we cultivate their sense and understand. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Environment or Mother Nature is very important, especially the art is very important, because in this every moment, the art is everywhere. We stay on the art. I would like to ask questions when I work in Asara. How can lab develop with mindfulness meditation that environment or Mother Nature?
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. I think this is the firstly we have to focus to exert the morality. This is the importance to, some people they lack of the morality, their mind going to their bad action, bad emotion, especially the greed, hatred, lord. That's why the firstly we have to focus the morality or ethics. This is the point is important. Second, I already mentioned the two kinds of the reason, the loving kindness and compassion. So this is also to develop our mindfulness. So we had to, in our environment, so we had to focus the morality, the loving kindness and compassion. This is important in our environment. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Wait, can you give me the topic? Thank you very much for the questioner and then the speaker. So yeah, I would like to the one question from the comment. So I read and then please answer. So there's one comment from the Monlodas, this bikini. Monlodas, our family. He is a live stream in the live stream. So her question is, could you give any advice to recruit the Mother Art with the non-Buddhists and inspire them to more pay attention to benefit commonly one? without Buddhist perspective. So how? I think whenever see that's at least answer of this.
Yes, this question is good. But social discipline. We have to forget the social discipline. In a social discipline, it's very widely for environment. I already explained in my presentation. Officers remind now during the COVID-19, both your mat, wash, but some people obey, some people do not obey. It's not important, so okay, my case. So it's a bound. This is a poor social discipline. We should understand this is very dangerous. It's very dangerous. Other such as other for example, nuclear. This is very dangerous. The state is coronavirus. So how can we protest? How can we obey? All scholars making new to development country with the technology and science within the nuclear also it's very dangerous. We should also we should obey the social discipline indeed. This is very dangerous, so we should that. We should that. According to the social discipline, our job, our attention is most beneficial for the world. This is for that we should do well. Social discipline. I did not as well as another side. When we go out, one of the people he is pain. Because of the stomach, he is very suffering. So how can we support? How can we help to you? This is our environment. Social discipline. This is a human being. I'm also human being, so I should help to you. And next one came the forest environment. My country, most people are cutting the tree, cut tree, no plants, but cut a tree. This is not responding to social discipline. I cut one of the tree, I'm making tree to be so that to be approach our environment in order to be support to the world. Forest environment is most important for the world. For forest, the mountain, and now in public country, mountain during mountain the environment. How can I say that? Mother Nature. Our country, Mother Nature, I cannot say the latest. So social discipline, we should understand it. We should do that. We should think it. Short. There's some people interested, some people interested in a social distance, but no. Some people are very interested. Okay, so we should always social distance for people for non-Buddhist. I cannot a lot of business, so it's just okay. Thank you for question.
Okay, thank you very much. Whenever we have that. So now, who would like to give a comment and for 2 minutes? Yeah. Yeah. First. Okay. First after this. For 2 minutes, can comment and a question.
Yeah, thank you so much. Good afternoon, all the brothers and sisters. Today our topic is very essential for our human beings. Thank you so much, Sister Dhamma. So I would like to ask Sarah. You said Buddhism is neither pessimistic nor optimistic, but a realistic absolute truth of Buddhism for our being. This is very good for our Buddhist society. But for non-Buddhism, they don't understand Buddha teaching. They don't know Buddha Dhamma. That's why I would like to ask you, how do we get them to understand the meaning of life? Please, you explain me.
So thank you so much. This question is very good. So I want to say this question, the three objectives. So the first objective is they had to study the Buddha teachings from the Buddha University, and they can study from the Google the Buddha teachings. Especially they can study the Four Noble Truths, the Eightfold Noble Path, the Lord Karma. So this is very important to understand the Buddha teachings. Now second objective is after studying the Buddha teachings, daily they have to analyze it and investigate the Buddha teachings, their life. Now the third objective one is they have to compare the Buddha teachings and other. So they have to compare. So what is the wrong view? What is the right view? So after the studies, analysis, and compare, they will be understand their life. So what is their meaningful life? So Buddha teachings very useful for the human beings. Not only the Buddhism, but also all beings. That's why they have to understand, to study, and to analyze, and to compare the other religions. Thank you so much.
This is a good question. So that's our duty when we teach something Dhamma for the young people and the non-Buddhist. Non-Buddhist, we don't use the Buddhist term. We must explain the new word. This is the modern word. For example, we say the right view. They don't understand right view. Right mindfulness, they don't understand.
Yeah.
But we use the similar word for the modern word. And we don't use the Buddhist word. But the meaning is the same. That is very important for us when we teach.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Dhamma brother and sister. So today's discussion present a different. This different explain God lot of knowledge. So many presenters have reduce the greed, the jealous. About the explain the environment, how to protect. So my question, so I think opposite and wrong. So if my question wrong, so please forget me, right? So many, we are Buddhist. So I mean, so many Buddhist people, they know about Buddhist teaching. Greed, jealousy, they know, but they do again. Not improve
Because of
not improve the physical, but improve the, how to say, improve the improve the social that they're doing. So I asked from Sally, why should they do that? Your opinion.
Thank you for your question. I think we have the three kinds of the teaching. In the Buddha say we have the three training. The first, when we hearing, listen to the Dhamma. This is the first level. When we listen to the Dhamma, we don't understand. And the second, we should learn and thinking and analyze anything about the Buddha teaching. And the second level. And the third level, we should apply. You see that we say the Panya, we apply. So that's when some people, they say they know Buddhism, they know Lopa Dosa, but they cannot transform their action. They cannot transform their activity. They also do Akusala Karma. Because this is just listen and don't become, you know, in the modern side, when you listen something and you just listen, if you have a thinking more and in your brain, do the new way for in your brain. And some people just the Buddhism, but they just listen and they follow. They don't have a time to analyze, thinking about us, and cannot transform your behavior. When you want to transform your behavior, it means you listen, you thinking, and then you practice, and you have the experience about that practice, and you slowly transform your action. So that not only in the human being we have a three level like this. Some Buddhists, but they are just the knowledge Buddhists. They just know and just listen and understand like this. And the second, they know and they thinking and they practice. And at the three levels, the next level. And when you want to transform someone, you want to, you know where they are. For example, they are just the first level, and you must to give up, to give more thinking, and to build the new pathway for their way, their brain. And you must give more experience, give more thinking, and then understand, and then go to the second level. When they have the thinking, understanding, they can choose. But if they just listen, cannot change. That is the three level. So that everyone inside of us also have a three level knowledge. Something, some habit energy we cannot change because we don't have a time to focus in this habit energy. And if we know we have a like this, and we don't have the time to thinking about our habit, and we don't find the way to transform. That's why inside of us also have a three level, not always equal. Sometimes we are the first level because we cannot transform our some habit energy. But some have big energy, we can change, we can keep sila, we can anything. And when we practice, with meditation, be mindful, be better, and we can teach another. We can change, inspire everybody. That's where they all come from your experience, and you can inspire them.
Thank you for your answer.
So
who would like to answer? You want to answer?
yeah.
Okay.
So
For 2 minutes.
yeah, I want to say the mentions your question. Now Bhikkhuni answered very good. Get your question. Very nice. Now I want to mention your question. So for the Buddhist people, we know the Buddha teaching. The Buddha teaching the best way, the other than that we know. But practically, we didn't practice the Buddha teaching. That's why we record our mind going to the hatred, the delusions, ignorance, also the surface ego. We didn't practice the practically Buddha teaching. That's why we have to practice the practically Buddha teachings. Yeah.
Thank you for your answer. So I do understand for me, that's why I asked this question.
Yeah.
Okay. Who would like to give the comment and question and answer?
Can you take it on?
Brother,
You want a question and comment?
Okay, last.
last one.
That's why.
Come on, your time.
Okay, I have a question from Venerable Siddhartha. So, Venerable Siddhartha said, he used the term forest is as purification, right? So, to get rid of, as he used the term COVID-19, to get rid of COVID-19, we should go to the forest. So you mean we all should go to the forest? What do you say?
I mean, yes, your question. Thank you. And all country cannot control the coronavirus. It's very common challenges for all people.
Yes.
Right? How can we do that? Right? We should stay here in the city. It's coronavirus found. So we should go to forest. It's very given the circulate for you.
So you mean forest is the safety place for
You stay in forest. You stay eat fruits, vegetables, trees under the tree.
Because the way the ascetics do ascetics. Practice, eat the forest food, and then practice meditation, like the ascetic life in the forest. Complete cover the coronavirus.
You cannot die. For example, you can see the elephant in the forest state. Oh, he is very strong. Now we are living in a society, human society. Oh, it's very small. You can see elephant. Forest elephants very quickly. Oh, city is quite different, not quickly. The story is so the forest is giving a lot of ability. For human being. Yes, thank you.
Okay. Okay, here we should stop here. But thank you very much for our speaker and our participant and our IBSC family, and especially writer, Dr. Anta And for the family and all staff, thank you very much. So before we finish, we pay homage. Araham
Sama Sambuddho Bhagava Buddham Bhagavatam Abhivademi Savakkhato Bhagavata Dhammo Dhamma Namasami Subhadipano